Okay, so gawa po tayo ng folder dito sa ating school system folder. Apat po yung gagawin nating folder ha. So, click ko lang po ito. And then, pangalanan po natin yung unang folder natin ng CSS. So, this folder will contain all our CSS files. And then, another folder again. So, this one, we will name it as images. So this folder naman will contain all our images. Another one for our JavaScript file. Pangalanin ko ito ng JS. And last one, gagawa po tayo ng folder para sa ating database connection. So pangalanin ko ito ng connection. Now, we will be creating a file sa ating Sublime. So new tayo. And then save as lang natin ito. Then, punta tayo dun sa ating folder na ginawa. Inside the school system folder, gawa po tayo ng isang file ng PHP which is index.php. Ayan. So, save natin. Okay, to start with our PHP file, itype po natin yung HTML. And then, gawa po tayo dito ng PHP clause natin. Ayan. So, save natin. So, itry lang natin i-run. Tingnan natin kung may error ba siya. No? So, to run our PHP file, open lang natin yung ating browser. And then here, itatype po natin yung address, localhost. Then, yung pangalan ng folder natin. And then, pangalan ng ating file. Hit enter. So, as you can see, wala naman pong mag-display dito dahil wala pa po tayong nilalagay sa ating HTML. So, just to check lang, so, wala siyang errors. Okay na po ito.